In today's video, we are going to cover how to view the test balance in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account details. Once the dashboard opens, take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the correct environment before checking any balances. This matters because Stripe separates live data from test data, and the balance shown will depend on which mode is currently active. Next, make sure you are in Sandbox or Test mode. Depending on the version of the dashboard you are using, you may see a test mode indicator near the top of the page or a toggle that switches between live and test data. Look for that visual cue before moving forward. If you stay in live mode by mistake, the balance section will show live account activity instead of the test balance you want to review. After you confirm that test mode is active, go to the left-hand menu and click Balances. This opens the balance area for the selected Stripe environment. Give the page a second to load if needed. When the balance page appears, you will see the balances associated with your test account rather than your live processing activity. On this page, view your available test balances by currency. Stripe may display separate amounts for different currencies, so look at each listed currency individually if more than one appears. This helps you understand what funds are currently available within the test environment and how those amounts are grouped. Then review the balance summary. In this section, Stripe shows key balance categories, including incoming and available funds. Incoming refers to funds that are moving into the balance but are not yet available, while available shows the amount that can currently be used within the test account balance. Reading both values together gives you a clear picture of the current test balance status. Continue by scrolling down to the Recent Activity section. Here you can view entries related to balance movement in your test environment. This may include payouts, top-ups, and other balance activity that affects the totals shown above. As you look through this section, you can match recent actions with the balance summary to understand where the displayed amounts are coming from. If you're reviewing a test workflow, this activity area is especially useful because it shows the balance-related events that were created while working in Sandbox or test mode. Keep in mind that all of the information on this page reflects test data only, as long as you remain in the correct mode. At this point, you have signed in, switched to Sandbox or test mode, opened the balances page, checked the available balances by currency, reviewed incoming and available funds, and looked through recent activity for payouts, top-ups, and other balance events. Your Stripe test balance is now visible in the balances page, including the summary and recent activity details.